what up mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, tingin po tayo ng update sa ating mahaliman, no? So very big shoutout po kay I'm Paprice, no? Kanya po itong video to, no? So tingin tayo ng update sa kanila, no? And grabe po talaga yung angat ngayon ng P-pop community, as in, napakarami pong mga pwedeng mangyari po talaga, no? As long as talagang gusto nila yung ginagawa, no? And just like SB19, talagang nire-represent po talaga. Para sa akin, this is just my own opinion, na sa ngayon, no? Sa P-pop talaga sila yung pinaka nasa taas, eh. Kaya I hope guys na maging example po talagang SB19 sa mga ibang mga P-pop groups, no? And syempre, napakaraming mga rising star ngayon, no? As in, napakarami, no? And yun, sumusunod na po talaga yung Bini ron, guys. As in, yung Bini, guys, talagang suportahan sila ng SB19. Kumbaga, bigayan po talaga sila, no? So, ito guys, panoorin natin. So, without further ado, let us all watch this.
Before the year ends, SB19 still has some great stuff to share with you, starting with their song Niebe. Well, as you may all know, the song was selected as the official soundtrack for the movie The Green Bones. This decision highlights the timeless appeal and emotional depth of the track, making it a perfect fit to complement the film's narrative and themes. And so far, based on online comments, the viewers love it. The song perfectly aligns with the movie's message and strongly enhances its emotional impact. Although SB19 songs were prominently featured in the movie, they did not qualify for nominations or win the Best OST award at the Film Festival Awards night. This outcome was expected, as the award specifically recognizes new and original songs composed explicitly for the film. Since SB19's songs were released years ago and were only repurposed for the movie, they did not meet the eligibility criteria. However, it's important to note that the mere recognition of the song as the official OST for The Green Bones speaks volumes about its lasting relevance, even years after its original release. As a result, Niebe has climbed back to the #1 spot on the iTunes chart Philippines.
Okay guys, i-break ko lang to, no? A very big shoutout sa Green Bones, no? As in, no? Napakagaling. Humakot sila ng award guys sa MMFF guys, no? Sobrang solid, no? Humakot sila ng award, tapos yung to the point na kahit saan ano mangyari is sumasalamin talaga doon yung Niebe guys, as in, napakalaking ambag, no? Nakita ko nga doon is yung pasok daw, yung may mga hindi ko pa napanood kasi yung Green Bones, eh. May mga scenes daw sa Green Bones na pag pumasok daw yung kanta ng Niebe is talagang sobrang sakto raw, sobrang very fitting daw po dun sa movie, no. So it's like yung Niebe is para doon daw po talaga sa Green Bones. So yung mga nakikita ko mga comments ganun, may na mga napanood ako talagang mga interview regarding that, no. And sobrang galing po talaga, no. And tama rin sinabi na I'm Paprice, no. Yun pala yun guys. Talagang kailangan pala specifically yung pag sa movie, yung OST nun is para doon lang po pala talaga sa movie na yun, no? And yung SB19 Niebe kasi is way back pa po talaga ito, no? Hindi na way back, last year lang yata ito, no? And doon po siya, kumbaga na-release na po siya, wala po yung Green Bones. So yun po pala talaga ang criteria, no? Kailangan yung OST is originally para doon lang po talaga sa sa movie na yun, no? Pero sayang lang, pwede rin naman kasi, no? Pwede rin naman talaga, no? Pero kung hindi man yun, I'm pretty sure guys, itong Niebe, pasok na pasok po talaga ito sa, and then yung mapa, pasok na pasok po talaga yun sa kapag sila pwedeng manalo dun guys, kasi sobrang kumbaga tago sa buso, parang ganun guys, eh.
Further proving its newfound popularity and impact among viewers who have watched the movie. Still, congratulations to SB19 for continuously proving that they are more than just a pop group. They are true artists with substance, and their music is not just any pop song, but a story and an experience meant to inspire and reflect. Another song that received recognition before the year ended is Moonlight, which was awarded Best OPM Collaboration of the Year at the Monster Music Awards 2024 by Monster Radio Station. The Netizens Report magazine's highly anticipated annual feature, which highlights the best, most influential, and most beloved Asian celebrities of 2024, has finally revealed its final results. Congratulations to Josh Cullen for securing the spot at number 18.
Ooh.
Pablo ranked at number 14. Philip claimed spot number 10, followed by Stell at number 9, and Justin earned the highest rank at number 8.
Grabe naman talaga yan, Ibang level si Justin talaga, as in.
Highest rank at number 8. According to their website, the artists who are part of the list are the stars who have not only achieved critical success, but have also inspired millions of followers worldwide, and are exceptional individuals who represent the best of Asian culture, creativity, and excellence across the continent.
Gets ko na, no? So, actually, kahit sino naman sa SB19 is kahit ano doon sa position na yun, pwede, no? So, I think, baka bias yung ano, no? Bias si Justin nung nito, jury. Joke lang, no? Sadyang ano lang yan, talaga, I think, sila ang may, ano doon, kumbaga may karapatan mag-judge regarding doon. Pero for me, kahit saan sila pumeso rin is bagay na bagay. Kasi as SB19 naman yung bit nila, no? So, si Justin, wala naman sa placing yan. Si Stel, nandyan si Josh sa may bandang taas. Si Justin, nasa pinakaunahan, no? Unlike sa kanila, no? Pero for me, it's not a competition. Achievement ng isa, achievement ng lahat po, guys. Ganun po yun. Achievement ng isa, achievement ng lahat. Kaya kung halimbawa mga mas nasa mataas na position si Justin, wala yun. Okay lang yun. Dahil sinasalamin niya yung members, I mean yung kanya mga brothers, which is yung si yung SB19 members, guys, na talagang sinasalamin niya yan, no? So kaya mga nagsasabi, kaya pala nalo si Justin, isabihin mas magaling na siya kay Stel, no? Hindi ganun yun, guys, na. Hindi ganun yun, no? So SB19 pa rin ang bit niya, no? So achievement ng isa, tandaan nyo, achievement ng isa, achievement nilang lahat, les. Okay? Balikan.
Well, I guess that perfectly describes SB19 too. Do you agree? Please subscribe. Congratulations also to Justin for ranking at number 41 on TC Candler's 100 Most Handsome Faces of 2024. Enjoyed this video? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap join to support this channel and help us create more content.
Yeah, subscribe kayo, no? I'm Paprice, no? Guys, grabe! Hakot award naman si Justin. Humahakot siya, grabe. Speechless ako dun, guys, as in. Ang galing ni Justin. Siyempre, props sa kanila, no? Pero, iba. Alam mo yun, yung tatahitahimik lang si Justin, tapos biglang ganun, guys, na as in. Grabe, napakagaling ni Justin. No? So, sila talaga, may kanya-kanya talaga silang charisma, may kanya-kanyang atake, may kanya-kanya talaga silang diskarte, no? It's up to them, guys, no? It's up to them kung anong tatahakin nila, no? Pero as long as SB19 pa rin sila, as long as SB19 pa rin nire-represent nila, wala masama doon, guys, no? So, matuwa tayo dahil doon sa kanina achievement ng isa, achievement ng lahat, no? So, kahit si Justin lang yung nandun, syempre, ako natatanong, sino si Justin? Pag may tanong, hindi kaya si Justin, di ba? Kunyari, foreigner, no? Siyempre, who's this Justin De Dios, no? Tapos sasabihin, may nagtatanong, oh, he's a member SB19, di ba? O, di ba? SB19 agad, no? So, and then darating sa point na, sige, pakinggan ko nga itong SB19, no? Diba? So, achievement na isa, achievement ng lahat. So, ganun lang yun. So, pag may nanalong isa, pag may napunta rito, huwag niyo sabihin na, ay, mas magaling siguro si Justin kaysa sa kanila, no? Wag na. Achievement na isa, achievement ng lahat. Okay, guys? I think that's it, no? Malapit na ang New Year, no? Ilang araw na lang bago ang New Year, no? So, Happy New Year sa lahat. Stay healthy, stay safe, and excited na ako, guys, pumasok ang 2025 as in, no? Kasi mayroon akong binabalak po talaga, guys, as in, no? Na ganito, no? Hindi na ako more on, hindi, may reaction videos pa rin ako, syempre hindi mawala yun, pero meron akong binabalak na iba't ibang contents, guys, as in, no? Nakalatag na po siya, no? Yan, kasi ako po ay nagbabalak na mag-resign na po sa aking work na, let's go, no? Kasi nagbabalak na ako, and try ko lang mag-focus muna sa pag-content and sa ibang bagay na pwede ako mag-explore, no? As in, no? So, ayun lang. Well, kaya kung pansin nyo yung channel ko, medyo pigil talaga, as in, like, hindi ako makapag-research and what, kasi ayun talaga, ang hirap na ipagsabayan yung work, and then at the same time nagtuturo pa ako ng sayaw. Ang hirap pagsabayan, sobra. So, napilit ko lang siya. Pero in year 2025, abangan nyo new contents, new kind of videos. Pero syempre, ulitin ko sa inyo, hindi mawawala ang reaction videos natin, no? May mga bago lang tayong idadagdag para mas malupit, no? Ang dami na ako nakastore sa aking utak. Let's go. So guys, abangan nyo yun, ha? So this is Poy signing out. Peace. Let's see.